individual question round with that.
So in my hand I have a ball of questions for this beautiful young lady standing here. So
hello, Miss Nemi Chongnam has picked the question. Imagine you are crowned Miss Chabanglanu this evening. What is the first thing you would do and why? Amy Bawang kahin simhati here. Tunit ha hin Chabanglanu lohun na hin naitalechun. Miss Nemi ipinabo mas sa pendem chule ipisiaham.
Tunit ha Chabanglanu muleng ama sa pena kabol din tu hile. Hitlay mo na nipizo seto ama sa pena lim kikilain din. Aman dingle inin kitin patin matay dala hilole patin thangba na kapidi nga hi kakipe.
Wow, that's a brilliant answer. Give it a round for Miss Nemi Chongnam. Miss Kim Mary, how do you feel? Nervous?
Excited.
Wow.
here is a ball of questions for you. So let's pick this. People get up for Miss Mary once more. Because this question is so interesting, and the question here is, what are the qualities that you look for in a potential husband?
Nazidik pahi ibitabang mi hiting na dayham.
Okay, but listen me him hina jun ahoya pa hilole aching atin officer le to munja chum nei ho jong chok ke mo poina ahi wangin ki namasa pena ka dei chule pathin he mi ei ngai lu thei ke ma ei ngai lu banga kain sumi te ama in sumi ta banga ngai lu a chule lu mo ma sumi ta sia ko thei ta sa ka dei
Ibisasi, Miss Kim Mary ni ko na behite. Please pick your question. Ahi thele mi pi ho chon na thep thep hoite na. Miss Evelyn has picked the question, and here it goes. Name one part of your body that you would like to change. What changes would you like to bring to it and why? Ay mi pawag kahin sa idea hi. Nang mata sa part nataas sa bulo ahin part khat khel the hilatsun ibi pen na khel nom dem chule ibi dinga na khel ki bukha.
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you for the questions. I think I would not like to change any part of my body because I'm confident enough and I'm beautiful the way God has made me. Thank you.
Wow, Miss Austin, Miss everything for the birthday. Please pick your question.
So your question is, why do you want to compete in this Miss Chabang Lano 2018 and why? Amy Pawin Sayute, ipidi nga tuchung Miss Chabang Lano adi nga hi nahong dinhang. Sudah ipisi ahang.
Tonight Chabang Lano din mo jeju. Kaya itong tatalo kat kahiti kita alam na mila.
Miss Austin, Miss Pawai Ken. Masin question ang hindi Dr. Hile. If you had the ability to change one quality or tendency about the youth of our society, which one would it be and why? Ay mo thadaw pa wakahin say di hiyo. Tulay ay mo society akam kahol ahi. Mercy, nang yung tilkat kaya pwedeng lechon ipinakiel dem, today pwedeng nga nakiel di ham.
Thank you for the question and judges hole ni piwa salam. Tulay kung hol eho society akiel pwedeng tilkat naileng tulay dahil ken daklo wai kikina iadik sa ni jini ka kiya drop kitihi eho kamdong ho isisili atawin sisi atu eho pillars of the nation even pillars of the society even na chitu eho pillars of ihuwa broken wale eho zawadi ka ho tu epiti ahi ahung hidi vemti chu gel thei khop sen hin na chitu ahi thank you
Brilliant answer. Miss Marceline to the building.
So Miss Bisola, this is your question. Who are the people you are most envious of in this world? Amy Bawa, Layset ahi koi dabang miho hi na ota ahi lole na hi nom penha. And why?
I guess we should not envy others because we should love ourselves.
Give it up for Miss Bisola.
Miss Bisola, yeah. hồi ta answer din kina win. Miss Tethem, nunga hoy ni hizin thu khat hoy dong ingen. Nang gel dana hi tu lai ta khang don hi kun naman lai ta nok ta le ko sim in le thing boy na nei lai ta hi dong ma nei hi nang gel dana kha ham phalo ham. Chule a pha e na ti hi zong le azi sei lang a pha boy na ti ta hi zong le azi le sei pi. Le ko sim lai a dong ma nei.
Cái pai ko son nei mo chu legacy playa dong mane kiti hi ke ma gel dani legacy dong atong kai sizong le lega isim na sumakun abang ong le ifon ibe nom na iki text pinom na ko bang zi na dong mo so le apatong kin na pat chu hi le idong ma in ilunggel gen thei pe tinga hi le in het thema ilunggel ik het them tua hi le hi chu ai ma adinga benefit and hena occupy.
Maybe they'll sing. Miss Tethem, surrender mo season ko na bemite.
Minsan sa pamlaan at minsan kailangan ay nanahon na hidang
Surrender mo eight, Rosie Tikachi!
sa pamlaan at minsan selin imbang lamang naglahi.
So, Miss Tinachi, people learn from mistakes. Is it necessary for one to commit mistakes to learn a lesson? Or can you do that without committing them? Ini bawa ni senyo. Sukhil, ay lo le bol khian ho hi ki hil na in kai ki mang zin nang ge da ai hin. Kiti ho hi mistake bon lo wa. Nang in het thiang ai lo le mistake bo te te ngai ha.
Thank you for the question. Kay kaya dali magna mistake yung koy mo ka sa mama. As you kay hinukuha ng ikaw dali mistake ka pula pa sa chu pathin song kang heading na. Mistake po dali pathin ni hai wala. Kasi ani koy song be perfect ang boy na. There is no one perfect in this world except Jesus Christ. So let's put Jesus Christ as our idol. You know, idol in the sense that our main goal, and let's try to follow Him. So I think it's really important to make the mistake once a success. Thank you.
Serial number 9 ni hoy ni Salma. Aman ko isa na hinkilan sa kahin sinha di hiyo. Ewa thada bawa kahin sinha masatin. Du chung sabang lanu hi aladi nga nakigiyal kham. Chile nakigiyal kha hila ibisiaham. English do you feel that you deserve to be crowned the Chabang Lanu 2018 and why?
The person who deserves to be crowned Chabang Lanu 2018 is the one who have worked hard for it and the one who is willing to do everything for the legacy of Miss Chabang Lanu. So I believe I'm her. Thank you.
Miss Tingeching, the question is Melhoy kiti hi nang geldana ipiti le hilchet hi. What is beauty according to you? Mel hoi hi ipiham na nga.
Serial number 11, your question is it enough to be a beauty with brain? Or do you feel that there are additional qualities that one should have? Anybody say it? Beauty with brain, miya hoy na le, chi na le, tip na hi, inay le, chamkin na sa jengam, ahi lo le, chichunga hi adang ibi ki hap de, le pa eh.
Mipi ho abili na bon chabin ko chibe. Question ay dozin dito pa eh. Beauty with brain kiti hi, kay gildanin apoy mo in, but beauty with brain kiti nga hile. Hoy to, nung tim, chi na tim na may hi, kiti hila hi, apha hoy kaya kilatin ham. Kiti tuwi na yan, kiti dozin mo inay chi hi, kiti pa eh. Contestant number 11, please again. Miss Olivia, what is that one wish of, if one wish of yours is to be fulfilled right now, what would you choose and why? Eh, what had a walk and say, get here. Two better na wish na nangyal kat. We would take the hillet if you need to them to the episium.
Thanks for the question. To peda kalungya chu ahile mi zosi contestant zosi chabang lanu dinga atai tilla dinga kigung su ke hile chizi a cha ta itel chu kilare ke kanga kawi sali pen hile ka ki pa e
who want to be crowned joy the people?
Miss Olivia. The last contestant, serial number 13, Dong Naihon, in Pisos in contestant number 13, Amazon question na ata hoy pianang tihendo. Contestant number 13, Dong Naihon. Who, according to you, are the luckiest people in the world? Eho thado po kung sa ikitihi. Layset sumahi ng gildanahi, ko ito bang mihoni, mi wangkap en hiuham. Nang gildanahi, layset sumahi hiuhi, mi wangkap hiuham.
Mimi ngày sau ho chile
Mipizo si the last contestant, si Rana McCarthy, Dome Hoy!
They said tomorrow again, Allah
Music. Eyes for right sang hoizo, shoes may ta sen sang hoizo. Naday thay daw ba? Contest number ko ini kihan daw ba? Contest number? Abuan na wala kihan sa kay daw. Tuwahi next contest na ako kihan di ako the top 7 hindi tayo. The competition is getting more intense.